Good morning. This day welcomes you, full of pristine possibilities. Let us greet it softly, with ease, with reverence, with innocence, and with total forgiveness of the past. Bubbling towards you is a stream of brand new moments, untouched by what has been. There is no use for yesterday's weight. Let it go. Let it sink beneath you, and allow yourself to float to the surface of truth, to the safety of the here and now, with your heart open to receive all the gifts that are due to you this day. Close your eyes and let your awareness soak through your body like water saturating a sponge. Let that sensation remind you that life is flowing ever toward you, through you. You are supported. You are held and guided in each moment. You are being provided for in ways unimaginable. This is the birthright you awaken to today. Take a few slow breaths in through the nose. Draw them down to the depths of your belly. Let each breath wash away any residue of worry, of tightness, of dread, any thoughts that are still tangled in the nets of yesterday. These are not useful today. What you are, in truth, requires only surrender, softness, stillness, faith. As you navigate the currents of this day, you will be guided to where you are needed most. You can trust the whispers of wisdom within you. Breathe in again, this time into your chest. Let that breath awaken your heart. Feel it expanding and radiating like sunlight rising behind your ribs. Declare to yourself, I am here, open and alert. I remember I do not walk alone. I embrace my function as the light of the world, as a beacon of peace and joy, shining heaven into earth. You are creation's precious collaborator. You are needed exactly as you are, exactly where you are, and with exactly what you have. Every challenge, every uncertainty are only shadows. You are light. If you notice discord today, it just means that thoughts of yesterday reach for you. Be still. Let them sink away. And remind yourself, not this thought, not today. Be determined to let it go, because we need your light. You are being called upward into this day, not into striving, but into the stillness of love's presence, where both your purpose and your blessings await. Let's bless this day with a moment of presence now. Let your shoulders melt. Let your jaw release. Let your spine lengthen effortlessly, as if your body is remembering how to rise. Let yourself rise like the sun in all directions. Anchor your awareness in your solar plexus, your doorway to heaven. Focus on the waves of your natural breath and notice the subtle effects each breath has in your body. Let them roll easily. Observe. Listen. Sense. Hold yourself here for a moment, shining in quiet relaxation. Take a nice full body breath now. Stretch into your limbs and lungs. You are not preparing to face the day. You are preparing to illuminate it. Repeat, I was created only to shine. I give love because I am love. I release fear and walk with faith. You are not a project. You need not become anything. You are and always have been whole and divinely perfect. Feel the strength beneath your stillness, the certainty that needs no proof. Feel the peace that does not wait for the world to change. These gifts are yours. The calm beneath the noise, the truth beneath the thought. Thank you for beginning your day with me, with love, and with the quiet power that only remembrance brings. You are a gift to us all, and I honor you. Go forward gently. Walk in grace, and let the world feel the warmth of your light.